I can't believe we're going.
I know. But we knew we were going, actually, and Kat said it to me, like, quite a while ago. And when we found out what was happening in Christchurch and, you know...
We wanted to go back then, really, but we had a brand fresh new baby. We had all these expenses here in Australia. It wasn't possible. But it's funny, actually, because we were applying for Taya's passport, and people kept saying, why are you getting her a passport? It's like, we feel like we're going to New Zealand early this year. We don't know how or why or anything, but I think we're going to New Zealand.
Yeah, it didn't even feel possible. And for me, I was like in the roughest place I've been in my life for the last few months. So nothing even felt possible. It was all negative, there was no trust, and it was like I'm only just stepping back into that adventure and ready to just fly again and go into the work that we started for the reason we started it, which is to work with the people that need it the most.
Fueled by demand, guided by nature's flow.
Yeah.
It's happening, and it's like, sheesh, okay, now it's real.
Now it's happening. We threw away any of the safety options, any of the connections we had on the North Island, family there, and we're going to a place where we don't know anyone.
We don't have any connections.
We don't have anything booked.
We don't have transport
We
with
got
a
our
baby
flights.
seat.
We got our flights.
We've got our flights and we're just going for it. And we leave on Friday.
And that's why we're calling upon you to help us with this and to help us reach and actually support all of the people over there and reach all the schools that we can possibly help, all of the youth, the young people there, and help them embed these mindful breathing breaks that we've been doing with schools here. So it goes much further than us just visiting there. It's something that they do for years to come.
We're giving these people the tools that they actually need to be able to deal with not just what's going on right now. Think back to the earthquakes back in Christchurch. It's like these things come up in our lives, and Christchurch has had its fair deal of challenges. And so to help with these challenges, not just this one account, but the things that continue to arise.
And it's inspiring for us, you know, because this is really why we started Breathe Project. This is what we love to do. We love being out there amongst it all in the communities. We love different people from different places and just spreading this message.
We want to make it koha for schools. If you're not a Kiwi, koha means exchange or donation.
Contribution, gift.
Yeah. So we want to be able to do that for the schools and communities over there, so that there's no barriers. It's accessible to everyone. To be able to make it koha for these schools, we need your help.
Yeah, and just covering the costs of like the main expenses that we have. We've been doing the maths, and it's like for accommodation, for a vehicle, for our flights.
We actually decided to ditch the whole accommodation and vehicle expense because it adds up quickly. So we've checked out a camper van. We can get a van for almost the whole time other than the first week or so because of school holidays, and it's about $5,000. Our flights were $1,200. All we need is our bare minimum expenses covered for us to be able to go and do the work for free, essentially.
Yeah, it'd be awesome. We would love your support. We're open to receive all of your support. And if you know anyone, if you've got connections over there, friends, family over there, people in PR over there, so we can bring the awareness to the parents and teachers so we can actually get into the schools too, that would be fabulous.
So we need you to donate. We need you to register your school. If you can't donate, then maybe you've got a house, or maybe you can host Bodhi, Taya and myself for a night or for a meal.
Anyway, anything's possible. Whatever is possible in any way that you feel you can support, we would love that.
We're open to receive so that we can give.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, this is amazing. I mean, we can just do that.
Yeah, see, that's what all I want to do, man, is that.
Yeah.
Yeah.